Hello everyone and welcome to my another video series. In this series we are going to learn about how to earn revenue with your website and how to make money with your WordPress blog. So there are many ways to earn money, like you maybe sign up for a CPA, or you maybe use Amazon, eBay, or you can also sell product service on your website. And the most popular earning way is the Google AdSense. And on this website, on review and deals, I'm using the Amazon Associates. And if I show you a link, here's the link. It's a Amazon link. And if you click this link, you will visit to Amazon website. And if someone buys by clicking this link, I will get paid. And as I have shown you, I've already earned some money. Let me show you in my account. And one more thing, this account, I created this account for this particular website, review and deals. And you can see the state is there are 35 clicks from last month, and three items are ordered, and the total earning is 6.43. I know that we don't have much post, and our this is the earning from this website in 20 or 30 days. But you can earn by so many ways. Like, I have created a PDF. If you're already familiar on how to earn money, then you can implement your way. And if you don't know how to, or what are the site that you will get paid for to signing up, um, you can check this money book in the supplementary section of this video. So the first thing is selling advertisement. There are some websites that used to sell advertisement. All you need to do is copy the code and implement the code in your website. So whenever an impression or a click will be go through your website, you will get paid. And some of the website are here. You These are hyperlinks. All you need to do is just click this website and you will visit to the website. This is called the selling advertisement. The next thing is contextual advertisement. In this category, sites like Google AdSense, Infolinks, uh, this is something that you display advertisement between your text or in the sidebar, and whenever someone click, not impression, but whenever someone click to your ads, you will get paid. The another network is affiliate network, and some of the website are Commission Junction, ClickBank, Amazon Associates, which I am using on this video series. Share a sale, where uh, you review a product or you give more information about the product, and if someone buys from your link, you will get paid a percent commission. Okay. Next thing is e-commerce, and where you sell something, and the platform to use is Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, OS Commerce. You can also look for, if you go to WordPress Plugins and search for the plugin that are related to e-commerce, you will find so many plugins that can be used to create an e-commerce website. Okay, I'm not familiar with this. I have just searched and I got a one with good downloads, and here's the average rating 3.7 out of 5. These are some features, and no, there is no screenshot for this plugin, but you can use this plugin to create a e-commerce website. Let's talk about affiliate programming. Okay, if you are good at creating programs or creating plugins or anything that you can sell on, like a tool or a WordPress plugin, Joomla plugin, or any other thing, you can launch your own affiliate program and assign a commission to those who are promoting your network. The next thing is membership. Membership is something like Netflix, where you need to pay monthly or quarterly or yearly for your subscription. So you can write content that are very premium, or you can also create a video site like Udemy, and implement a membership by giving your audience an option to register for a month within some monthly subscriptions. Okay. The next thing is the same thing as the affiliate program, but it is mostly like hosting program. A hosting program is the same thing where you place banner ads or construction link, hyperlinks, and if anyone click and visit to the advertiser website, you will get paid by the purchase or by the click through your site. Okay, so by this way you can earn a money, and I'm I mainly I use Google AdSense and Amazon Publisher as well as ClickBank sometimes, because these are giant companies and they will not eat your commission. So it's all up to you what you like to implement on your website. And there is not much I can tell you about how to earn money. You can, if you are good at something, you can also give local services to your users, and that's it. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.